Mecca, Saudi Arabia. The holy city of Mecca has been hit by heavy rainfall in recent days, presenting an unquiet challenges of the millions of Muslims who have gathered on the unusual pilgrimage of the Kaaba. The downpour, a rare occurrence in this arid region, has caused flooding in some areas, impacting the rituals and daily life of those undertaking of Hajj pilgrimage. The Kaaba, the black cubic structure at the center of Masjid al-Haram, Moscow, the most sacred site in Islam, a focal point of Muslims from around the world. Pilgrim desert the white garment, circumambulate the Kaaba, sometimes the central part of Hajj pilgrimage. The Koreans get inundate parts of the city, leaving a concern about the safety and comfort of the worshipper. Local authorities have been working tirelessly to manage the situation, deployed emergency response team to pumping excess water to flooded areas from flooded areas to ensure the safety of the pilgrims. Pilgrims have shown resilience in the face of challenging weather conditions. Many have continued their rituals despite the rain, seeking blessing of spiritual fulfillment. Some pilgrims, however, have had to alter their plans due to unexpected weather. Saudi authorities have taken measures to minimize the impact of the rainfall, including ensure wetlands to help pilgrims to stay safe during the unusual weather events. They have also stepped temporary shelters and medical facilities to provide assistance to those in need. While such heavy rainfall is a rare occurrence in Mecca, it's a reminder of the importance of preparedness and adaptability during the Hajj pilgrimage. The safety and well-being of the pilgrims remain of top priority. Of efforts are underway to ensure the journey remains as smooth and mid-gulf as possible. As the rain continues, both pilgrims and local authorities are working together to make the best of the situation, emphasizing to strong spirit and unity to face the divided the Hajj experience. The faithful remain resolved and determined by the challenges faced by the elements as they continue their sacred journey in the Kaaba, the head of Islam. Mecca, the holy city of Islam, found itself in the grip of devastation flood, disruption in unusual pilgrimage season of thousands of rainfall believers. The kid Western of inundated streets, submerged vehicles, and distressed pilgrims have left in the world in a shock of concern. The calamity and flooding and heavy rainfall inundated Mecca and surrounding areas, with the intense downpour that lasted for hours. The sudden deluge overwhelming the city drainage system, leaving a flash flood of every kid in the streets and buildings. The iconic Masjid al-Haram, the Grand Mosque, and surrounding courtyards were also submerged, causing distress among the worshippers. The timing of this catastrophe couldn't have been worse. On the flood occurred during the unusual Hajj pilgrimage season, one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Pilgrims from around the world had gathered on fulfilling their religious duties or participate of rituals. However, the flood disrupted the sacred procession, causing anguish among the faithful who had traveled a long distance to be here. Saudi authority, along with the Saudi Red Crescent, action prompted to manage the crisis. rescue teams were deployed to assist the affected individual, and temporary shelters were set up to those displaced by the flood. The government has also indicated force to drain the water and repeal the damage and ensure the safety and comfort of the pilgrims. The global community has extended its support and consolidates the people of Mecca, where countries, united neighborhoods, nation and international organizations who have offered assistance to rescuers to help elevate their suffering and aid the recovery force. The tragic flood in Mecca served a stark reminder and increasing challenges posed by the climate change. Extreme weather events like one witnessed in Mecca are becoming more frequent and severe as the effect of climate change continue to impact the world. Investing in the resilience infrastructure and disaster preparedness will be critical and safeguard the well-being of communities, especially in the place of great religion of culture significance. The heart of millions worldwide were the people of Mecca during the difficult time, as the city struggles to recover from the natural disaster. The global Muslim community and humanity as well need to play for swift restoration of normality and continuous safe and well-being, all affected by the devastation flood in the holy city of Mecca. In surprising turn of when the powerful storm swept through the holy city of Mecca, raising concerns about the safety of the Kaaba, the most carried site in Islam. The unexpected weather event with a cold broad rainstorm, winds and lightning, leaving the city inhabitants in a state of shock. Local authorities were quick to respond to the situation, deploy emergency service to assess the damage and ensure the safety of the millions of pilgrims who visit the city unusually. The storm distracted daily life in Mecca, with many residents and visitors taking shelters in neighboring buildings to escape the fury of nature. The Kaaba, located with the Masjid al-Haram, remained the center of attention, and the vulnerability to the element became a topic of concern, while its structure is designated to withstand various environmental conditions. To several, the storm raising questions about their resilience. The Saudi Arabian government has issued pilgrims the measures have been taken to ensure their safety and that the situation is under control. Tension has been the region, overwhelming the drainage system and leaving the flooding in various parts of Mecca. However, the single flood water surrounding the Kaaba itself many onlookers speechless. It was an unprecedented event, and the Kaaba had rarely faced such a threat throughout its storied history. The flooding has also disrupted travel to and from Mecca. Efforts were immediately mobilized to ensure the safety and security of the pilgrimage who had gathered in vast numbers of prefer their religion duties. Emergency personnel and volunteers working tirelessly to provide assistance to drainage those present, ensuring that the spiritual experiences remain uninterrupted despite the extraditional circumstances. The flooding and the Kaaba serve as a powerful reminder for forced to nature the humility of humanity before them. It underlined the temporary nature of physical structure to meet loss, carrot and mobility, and emphasized need for unity and resilience to face adversity.
This is another sign.